Hi, this is Mr. Shaw. We are about to celebrate a holiday, and I'm sharing a couple of links for you to check out. The first is on how the 4th of July holiday came about. The second a part of the challenge will be to try out a vintage recipe and create something special for your family over the holiday. Find and prepare a recipe. The link will be in the description below. Following recipes is a skill that requires you to be able to follow directions and instructions. If you have a family recipe, feel free to prepare it for your celebration. Let us know in the Facebook or Twitter comments associated with this post how the dish turned out. Post a photo of the finished product. Cooking is a skill that you will use all your life. Some people are good at it, others not so much. But with practice, it can be a skill you can master. So challenge yourself this week. Contribute to a meal this week by preparing the dish for your family. Good luck. Please remember to practice good hand washing, good exercise, read every day, practice social distancing. Have a wonderful holiday and break. Stay safe and healthy. I hope to see you soon. Have a great 4th.